Did you know a basketball player once scored 100 points in a single game? Wilt Chamberlain did this crazy thing back in 1962, but here's what makes it even more insane. Nobody filmed it. The most famous basketball game ever, and there's zero video footage. Just one blurry photo of Wilt holding up a piece of paper with 100 written on it. His team won 169 to 147. That means Wilt scored more points by himself than most teams score in entire games today. The crowd went so wild they rushed the court with 4 minutes left. Security had to protect Wilt from his own fans trying to celebrate with him. He shot 63 times and made 36 shots. At the free throw line, he was perfect, 28 out of 28. This is the same guy who was terrible at free throws his whole career. But that one magical night in Hershey, Pennsylvania, everything went in. 100 points, and nobody can watch it happen.